Nandyan pala kayo, mga idol. So, focus natin. There you go. So, mga idol, kumusta? So, si Dudong Bisdak ulit ito. May nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit daw yung title ng video ko is Homeless or Pinoy Homeless in USA at hindi Jobless.
So weird.
So, explain ko dito muna sa part 2 na video ko, mga idol. So, stay tuned. Hello mga idol, once again, welcome to the series Pinoy Homeless sa USA. So, sa part 1 mga idol, sinabi ko na I was just recently laid off sa work. I don't have work right now.
Si Duterte wala na. Finish na.
I'm still looking for a work. However, I need to go or I need to travel from Seattle, Washington to Toronto, Canada. So, may nagtatanong mga idol, bakit daw yung title ng video nito is Pinoy Homeless sa USA instead of Jobless?
Gago!
So, explain ko dito sa video mga idol kung bakit ganon. Para ako makatravel mga idol from Seattle, Washington to Toronto, Canada, through land. So, yung sasakyan ko, yung Mercedes GL 550, that's the only car I have right now, and that's only my option. So, using the car, mga idol, every time that I go and travel, I need to stop
Stop! Sabi ko na stop!
to stay in a hotel. So, alam naman nyo dito mga idol na napakamahal ng hotel. Okay? So at least I need to spend around at $100 to $200 each hotel mga idol, each night. So yung $100 to $200 mga idol is around 5,000 to 10,000 pesos each night. So sa atin yun mga idol, almost 5-star hotel na yun. So I don't have any money to cover that expenses. So instead, what I did mga idol is I sold my Mercedes GL 550.
Gago!
And yung proceeds, yung nakukuha ko na pera sa GL 450, binili ko ng RV. Ito na yun mga idol, yung Class B RV na nasa video ngayon. That's the reason why the title of this series is Homeless Pinoy sa USA, kasi I'm gonna be homeless mga idol when I'm starting to travel from Seattle, Washington to Toronto, Canada, because this is not like one day travel mga idol, it takes multiple days travel. So I'm gonna be homeless, I don't know, for at least maybe 30 days. I'm gonna be staying inside the RV mga idol for 30 days. So it can be disastrous, like, you know, if you're operating a car, there are a lot of things that can go wrong. Let's say for example, ma-flat yung tires, yung gulong mo mga idol, that's one of the thing. Or you get pulled over by the police mga idol because of some traffic violation, pwede din yun. Or maybe like there's a snowstorm mga idol, right now it's around November, so it's gonna be dangerous mga idol. But I'll gonna be staying with this RV for the rest of my travel mga idol. So ito na yung RV na to mga idol. Paano daw ako nakabili ng RV mga idol na wala na akong trabaho? Eh di nag-sugar mommy. Ano, mga babae lang pwede mag-sugar daddy? Uy, joke lang mga idol.
Stop! Sabi ko stop!
So, dito sa US, mga idol, para ka makabili ng sasakyan, kailangan mo ng two major requirements in addition sa lahat-lahat na requirement. Ang first requirement is meron kang credit score. And second requirement is meron kang ability to pay. So, wala na akong trabaho, wala na akong ability to pay, pero may credit score ako. So, paano ko ginawa yon? Essentially speaking, mga idol, employed pa ako. Kasi na-lay off ako, binigyan ako ng few months para maghanap ng trabaho. Literally, nasa payroll pa rin ako sa company. Although, I don't have any benefits any longer, but nasa payroll. Pero, yung binili ko na yung RV, hindi ko sinabi yon kasi yung information na yon hindi kailangan malaman sa dealer. So, yung hiningi lang ng dealer is yung payslip. Binigay ko yung payslip at saka, indeed, na empleyado ako. So, wala silang masasabi. So kaya ako nabili yung RV. So, sa next video mga idol, itutour ko kayo sa loob ng RV. Then, titingnan natin each pieces inside the RV. So, keep tuned on that, idol. At saka, gusto ko malaman yung opinion nyo kung tama ba yung decision ko na ipinagbili ko yung Mercedes GL 550 ko in exchange of the RV. So, yung GL ko, 10 years na yun, pero maganda pa rin. Napaka guwapa pa rin, mga idol. So, namimiss ko yata yun, pero binili ko itong RV. So, put your comment down below, mga idol, kung tama ba yung decision ko. At don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video, okay? Thank you. Until next time.